These are the prints that I had. These are the DTF transfers. So I just got a couple here because I'm just testing out how they're gonna look, and I haven't printed any of these myself yet. So I'm excited to see what they're gonna look like. And then these are the shirts, the blanks. So I got these from Temu because I wanted to get this like ringer tee, baseball tee sort of look, and I couldn't find these anywhere else for cheap. So I just got these on Temu for a few dollars, and they came in a pack of 2. So I just got the blue and the pink. So the pink is for the pink designs, and the blue is for my little Volkswagen design. So I already printed this one just as a trial, and I think it's on there pretty good. So this is my first time pressing anything myself anyways, and it just looks really good. It looks really clear. I was trying to match this color scheme, and I think it ended up pretty perfect. So this one I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. And I think I like it. I don't know if I'll be making more of these, just because it's obviously copyright. So let's go ahead and do the rest of these. Well, I'm just doing 3. I have extra shirts here, but I'm gonna, I think, do this one for this, and then go from there. And this is the final result for how they all came out, and I'm really happy with how they look considering I got more of a budget-friendly heat press. And this is my first time trying it out, so please let me know if you have any advice or anything you think I should know. And as always, thank you for watching.